Hi friends, welcome to School Student. Today we are going to see a very interesting trick for finding the antilog of a given number. Okay, this video is the continuation video of finding the log of the number. There is a linkage between those two videos. I'll be providing the link of that video in the description box. You please go through that and then come to this video since there is a linkage between those two videos. You have to see that and then come back here, then it will be easy for you in grabbing this tricks technique. Okay, now let's get started with the finding the log of the number. So let us begin. Since there is a linkage, I would like to start with finding the log of the number. Okay, so let us go with log of 39.1. so this is our, for this 39.1 we have to find the log value. Okay, so see, in that video I might have said that this is the digits, number of digits you have to take into consideration, that is 9 and 3. So this 9 and 3 is number of digits is 2. You have to reduce by 1. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1. This is the first step. Okay, so the log value will be having two types of number. One is characteristic number and the other one is Mantassa number. This is the characteristic number and this is the Mantassa number. So in log book they will be giving you the Mantassa number, and characteristic number we will be seeing how to find it now. This Mantassa, with the help of log book you have to find it. Okay, so this characteristic number now we got is 1. So are you clear with how to find the characteristic number? You just count number of digits before the decimal point of the given number and then reduce it by 1. So here 39, if it is 102, you have to take it as 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So 2 is our characteristic number there. 4561, there it is 4 digits. Okay, so 4 minus 1 equal to 3. 3 is your characteristic value. Okay, likewise you have to go for each and every number separately. Okay, now let's go with finding the log of 39.1. So the characteristic value is 1. Okay, so 1 point something. This Mantassa value using the log book we have to find. So you have to search this 39 likewise in the horizontal row. You have to search it. This is anti-log. You just see it for the log table. Okay, in log table you search 39 in the horizontal row and 1 in the 39 in the vertical row and 1 in the horizontal row. So the both of them meet at a single number like this. Okay, that number you have to write it as the Mantassa value. If you have 2 or 3, 39.123 like that if you are having, then you have to go for mean difference. Mean difference, if you are getting for example 5636, so this is your Mantassa value where this 39 and 1 are meeting. Like this if you are getting this mean difference, you have to add straight, you have to take it, and what is the mean difference you have to add. If it is 3, add 3, then if it is 3, then you are having 4, so you have to add 4. Likewise you have to add and go for the mean difference. So you have to find it like this. Okay, but actually 39 and 1 meet at 5922. 5922 is our Mantassa value in this case. So the log of 39.1 is 5922. Are you clear? If you are not clear still with this, then you can go for that video, see that, and then come back to this video again. Okay, so 1.5922 is our log value of 39.1. Now, as I said in the introduction, there is a linkage between the log and antilog. It is none other than, the antilog is nothing but inverse logarithmic function. Okay, since it is inverse, by the name you can understand it is the inverse. And see, take this log, you have to bring this log to the right hand side. If you bring this log to the right hand side, you will be getting log inverse of 1.5922. So in log, finding the log, we have we'll be taking this 39.1 and find this 1.5922. For finding the anti-log, you have to take this 1.5922 and find this 39.1. okay, this is just an example. So in whatever maybe the number you are given with, you will be very quickly completing the anti-log of that number, okay, if you follow this trick. See, we have log inverse of 1.5922. This is nothing but anti-log of 1.5922. okay, so now let us go for our trick. So we have 1.5922, right? So see, first step, you have to take this 1.5922. okay, 1.5922 is our number. So this anti-log we are going to find. First and foremost step is take this 59. There we'll be taking this, see, 39.1. We took this 39. We took the number of digits and then we found the characteristic value, and this is the Mantassa value. Here we are going to take just the inverse. The anti-log is just the inverse of log. So whatever you done in the log, you will be doing in the reverse order for finding this anti-log. Okay, so see, take this 59. You should not see whether 59 is present or not, because in anti-log table you will be having 0.59. okay, so in this anti-log we will be checking for 0.59. Where is this 0.59? It is here, right? So you just see 0.59, you take into consideration, then go for the next digit. Next digit is 2. Next digit, next 2 digits you take it as 22. In this vertical column, sorry, in this horizontal column, do you have 22? No, we don't have. So split this 22 into 2 parts. If you split this into 2 parts, we will be getting as 2 and 2. okay, so now take this 2 into consideration. Now check for 0.59 and 2. Where are they meeting? So this 0.59 and 2 are meeting at 3908. This is our number, 3908. okay, so take this number 3908. So this is our number. okay, now go for this 2. This 2 is nothing but our mean difference. okay, so this mean difference we are having here, and in that 0.59 row you have to check for the mean difference 2. So the mean difference is 2. okay, so you just add 2 to it. After adding 2, you will be getting 3910. okay, so this is our final answer. You should not leave it as it is, because our answer is 39.1. So we got all the digits. Now where this decimal point came, for that we are going to see the next step, that is take this 1, because the Mantassa value we took and found the number. Take this 1 for finding the decimal point. okay, take this 1, you just add 1. There we have subtracted. For finding this characteristic value, we have subtracted 1. Now we are going to add 1 to whatever may be the characteristic value. okay, so 1 plus 1 equals to 2. We got 2. You should not put 2 here or here. This is completely wrong. okay, so this 2 is for placing the decimal point. As we already know, this is an inverse function. As this is an inverse function, you should not go in this order. You have to go in this reverse order. okay, from left to right you have to go, from left to right. okay, not from right to left. Our usually whatever may be the mathematical calculation we are doing, we'll be placing the decimal point from right to left. This is completely wrong for finding the anti-log of the number. okay, you have to go from left to right. So left to right you have to keep the decimal point, and we got the answer as 39.1. hence our answer is correct. Are you clear with this technique, my dear friends? Please comment it. Please comment your opinions about this trick, and let's go for the next example. So this is easy, right? So you can complete whatever may be the antilog they are asking us you to find it. You can find it using this trick very easily. Now let's go for the next example. So our next example is log inverse of just a random number. Let us take it. 3.1415, like pi value we can take it. Okay, for this 3.1415, let us find what is the antilog of this number. First we have to check for this 0.14. Take this 0.14 into consideration. It is here. So this 0.14 and 1, this 0.14 and 1 is meeting at 1384. Okay, so this is our number 1384. With this 1384 you have to add the mean difference. So you check for this 5. So 5 came to 2. So 2 is our mean difference value. So you add 2 and our final answer is 1386. So this is our number. Now we have to place the decimal point. For placing the decimal point, take this 3, add 1, it is 4. Okay, now see 1 2 3 4 0.00. So something, this is very the approximate value. This is not the accurate value. Okay, please remember this when whatever, for if you are finding the log value or even the anti-log value, this is the basic thing you have to keep it in mind, that this is a very approximate value, not an accurate value. So the log inverse of 3.1415, you can have log inverse of 3.1415, you can have it as approximately they are equal to 1386.00 something. It goes on. So 00, and the very basic number next to 0 is, you will be getting 1, because this is very negligible, so you can leave that. As this is an approximate value, you needn't take into consideration. Okay, so if you go for the calculator and if you see it, then you will be getting 1386.0018, something like that. In that range you will be getting. Okay, so in this logbook we got an approximate value of the anti-log of number. Are you clear with this technique, my dear friends? Please comment it your opinions, and also whatever you want from my side, whatever maybe the help I can do you at any time, you do comment it in the comments box, and also tell your opinion and comment it on this video. Okay, bye bye.